Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are replacing the battery on the Triumph Street Triple RX. Check it out. So this morning I wanted to go for a ride and I tried to start the bike. This is what happened. She's dead. So we're gonna pull out the old battery and take it in to have it tested. What we'll find out, the cells are probably dead and it's no longer holding a charge, and that's why it's dead. But we're gonna probably then get a new one and swap it out, and I'm gonna show you how. There's a little hex bolt right at the bottom. If you pull up the corners, we're gonna loosen those, take the seat off. Now that we have access to the battery, I'm going to start by disconnecting the negative terminal, then the positive, and then there's this little strap and there's a clip right down there. It's very difficult to see, but it's got a little metal ring and you got to push it down and out. Click it out and then we can take out the battery. There you go, it's as easy as that. Old one is out. I have charged this battery before, and every time I come back to start the bike, it got weaker and weaker, and it has failed before and didn't want to start, and I recharged it and it's still dead. So it's probably that the cells are dead, it's not holding a charge anymore. So we're gonna swap this one out, put in a new one. Okay, it is the next day. I just got back from my local bike shop and I picked up a brand new battery. As expected, the old one does not hold a charge anymore. It is dead. So let's go ahead and put in this new one and fire her up. There you go, it's as simple as that. The hardest part was getting that rubber strap back, just getting that hooked in. But anyway, let's turn her on and see if she fires right up. There it is guys, as always, quick and easy. Remember, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you on the next one. See ya.